Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Andrea Mohan. I'm the secretary of ICARA. So we are the International Confederation of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Other Drugs Research Associations. And just again, welcoming you to our sixth and final webinar for our webinar series on COVID-19 and substance use. Want to just thank the SSA, the Society for the Study of Addiction, for sponsoring this webinar series. It's been, a very informative and useful series so far. And today we'd also like to thank Shap and San for hosting this webinar. So I just want to quickly give you an overview of ICARA and what we are about. So we were established in 2011, and we are an umbrella organization for research organizations or societies, groups across the globe who focus on alcohol, tobacco, other drugs, and behavioral addictions. And our mission really is to promote, support, and enhance research on these topics, both nationally and internationally, through various means, so through professional exchange and collaborations and other activities. And we have a focus on capacity building and peer-to-peer learning within and between countries. So our membership, currently we have around 20 organizations. It's evolving. So you can see that we have good representation from across the globe in terms of the different continents. And we have research associations covering alcohol, drug policy, behavioral addiction, addiction and the family, addiction librarians and journal editors, and several national associations in Australia and Europe. And this is just a list of our full members and associate members. And if you're interested in finding out more about these members, then you can go to our website that you see there, www.icara.info, and you can get a lot more about them from the member directory there. So if you do work in the ATOD research field and you belong to an association or network or group, there are benefits to becoming a member of ICARA. One of these benefits is that you have access to a global audience because we disseminate a lot of information, research going out to our member organizations on a fairly regular basis. Also things like conference announcements, training initiatives, etc. So we do tweet about these things, we post up news as well on our website. So that's one of the benefits. One of the other benefits is that you'll have access to an international network because we do get involved in a lot of networking. We share a lot of common challenges and solutions with research societies and teams. And we do that through workshops and symposia, other events. And for example, this webinar series is one type of event in which we have this international networking going on. Our next ICARA general meeting is going to be focused on emerging issues in cannabis and gambling research, and that date will be announced shortly, but it will be late 2021. And so that's another opportunity for networking if you're interested in this particular topic. And we also have guidance on shared challenges. So at the moment, we have guidance on developing policy regarding the management of relationships with commercial and other organizations with potential conflicts of interest. And that guidance is available to download from our website as well if you're interested in that. So there are a couple of benefits to becoming a member of ICARA. And fundamentally, we do believe in the value of bringing researchers together to discuss and share their values and interests. So if you have a network or a research association, you can join and meet with others and share that knowledge with people in your own country about these issues. And if you have also, want to know about opportunities to get together and advocate with others about outward researchers institutes. So this is where we come in. I mean, we're trying to build this sort of capacity with researchers. We also know that many countries have national associations, and so we're welcoming them as members to ICARA, but also that research groups, consortia, universities, institutes are also welcome as associate members. And not all countries will have this particular infrastructure, and this is where we'd also like to help out, particularly by pairing up well-established research associations with individuals or small groups of researchers who are trying to establish such new networks and organizations. So if you do belong to a country where this infrastructure is currently lacking, you could reach out to us and we will try to help with this. So this is our ICARA board. So we have Nifa Sturl, who's going to be presenting today as our president, and you could read more about our board members on our website as well. So we are looking for new board members for period 2021 to 2023. So if you know anybody who has any of the following, or if yourself are interested in becoming a board member, then please do get in touch with us, and you can contact me directly at her email address given here. So if you do have that enthusiasm for valuing and connecting of researchers, national and internationally, and you have some time to help out, then please do consider this. Just to note that we particularly welcome early career researchers as well to shadow more senior board members in their roles, so that they do have that opportunity to get some experience in this regard. So please do share, do consider as well. If you have anybody in mind, please do get in contact with us. And I'd just like to finally thank Claire Wilkinson for chairing the session today, and all of our speakers. Really looking forward to it. Thanks to Chris from Saran and Shap for helping to sort this through. So again, we can check out our website if you want to find out anything more about ICARA. You could also email me if you have any questions. We do have our Twitter handle, ICARA_global, and we'll be tweeting throughout this webinar about the main points. So the Twitter handle is, the hashtag is #ICARA-webinar if you're interested in tweeting along with us. And we really hope that you enjoy this webinar. Thanks, everyone.